we have actually some of the formation are hidden below this hinglage formation. Now let me remove the color. So you can see that this quaternary aluminum formation is hidden behind the hinglage formation. To clip this formation, I will use the clip tool for this. Now let me once again select the color for it. Okay. Now go to the selection tool, select this formation, and you can select it from here. This is the formation that I want to clip it. Now go to the edits and more option, click this clip tool. Now check the clip all editable features and clip it. So you have successfully clipped this feature. If you remove the color from this recent deposits, you will see there is nothing inside. So the hinglage formation has been clipped out, and you can see the alluvium here like this. So this is a very powerful tool that you can use for some of the formation that you want to clip out.